Alright, this is another acceleration video in my BMW M6 convertible. It's an M mode, 600 horsepower, because of some upgrades. Original stock's 507. And here we go. Got a big curve up here, and I have a camera in my hand, so I gotta freaking slow down for this damn thing. I got a ton of cars too. Let's boom out of the water. Fast that is, I can't see. I think it's 130 I hit. And that's all faster I'm going to go today. Because I just flew a million cars back there. I don't know if you can see all those cars. I just jumped by. You can just see these cars. And I got to slow down because of this curve. Sorry for the crooked camera work. This car is so much fun, it's ridiculous. It's a lot different than the Mercedes. It kicks hard. It beats the crap out of you. Nothing smooth about this. It's like a NASCAR. That's what it feels like. All right, that's cool. All right, I think that's enough acceleration video. You can see the saying is, this thing's fun, but it really takes two hands to drive this beast.